Alright guys, today I got a little discus lock. Let's see, it's made in China. It's just a no-name discus lock. Here's a look at the key bitting. And I'm using this pick here from Southord. Kind of looks like just a sawtooth.
This ordeal takes an enormous toll on my thing. For 18 weeks after the shooting, he's in the next one. The bullet blows out 70% of his
There it is, open. And tried picking this lock, single pin picking. But the pins, you just barely touch them, and you kind of overlift them past the shear line. So I just started trying different rakes and just raked it open finally. Anyway, there it is, open. As always, you guys have a good one.